Hey everybody out there at VW Life, Gary here with Macho Man Matt Jackson.
Yeah, that's right, brothers and sisters. It's Saturday night, and it's the third Saturday of the month. So what does that mean?
Where's your Slim Jim, Jack?
Never do it, Slim Jim.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It is third Saturday at Matt Jackson. I think that's Matt Jackson. We are headed to Notch Hamburgers.
That's right.
So join us for a fun night with VW Life. Let's see what kind of fun stuff we can get in today.
Let's do it.
All right.
To the second speed bump. Are you guys ready? Yes. On your mark, get set, go.
Okay, hey, are you paying attention? None of the drivers are paying attention. Go!
How's that fun?
Hey everybody out there, Gary here with Jessica. Hi Jessica, how are you tonight?
Hey, I'm good. You?
I'm so glad you're here.
Thanks for having me.
So we're standing in front of Jessica's Volkswagen, but this is a little different than what we normally see. So tell us a little bit what we have.
So this is a 2000 Cabrio. I got it out of a chicken coop.
Wait a
I
minute.
discovered this.
It was in a chicken
It's my
coop?
second one. So the first one, someone wrecked into me. So this is the one I found after, because I was very sad about my first one.
Yeah.
And here she is.
So this is a 2000 Cabrio. So obviously, I mean, it's got some things done to it here. I don't think they were this low when they were made.
It's
So
a
what
little
have
bit
you what have you done?
It's lowered on coilovers. It also has Porsche 928 Sport wheels. They're polished.
So now, how did these wheels? Would this had a 5-lug, or did you have to?
No, they have adapters on them.
Adapters, okay.
They're custom made for 4x100 to 5x130 for
Right.
Porsche. Yeah, I got them
Those
online.
are, so these are 928 wheels, correct?
Yes, and they're polished.
And they're polished. They're beautiful. I like them. Does it have a name?
Gabriella von Volkswagen. Her name.
What was the name again?
Like Gabriella, but Cabriella von Volkswagen.
Cabriella von Volkswagen.
Yes.
That might be the best name of a Volkswagen I've had yet, and I've had heard a lot of names, but Cabriella, that's awesome. A long time ago, we had a pet rabbit, and we named it Cabri, and it was the meanest damn thing ever.
Oh.
It would bite. Don't tell the children. Oh, the children, if my children see this, they'll know, but that rabbit went for a long walk on a short pier.
Oh.
Cabriella is a 2000. And how long have you had this?
I bought it in 2009 from a guy in Maryland
Oh,
that
you
got
got
it out of the chicken coop
So
for a long
it was
time.
it was sitting in a chicken coop. Was it in terrible shape?
The lady that had it before me, she let the transmission fluid leak out, so she just let it set. So the guy purchased it from her, rebuilt the transmission, and then sold it to me. So I'm still cleaning out chicken coop dirt out of many holes. Still to this day, I
No
feel
way.
like it's still dirty.
Oh my gosh.
It was so dirty when I got it. In the molding, just dirty.
Everywhere.
But no, it's
So original paint?
Original paint.
Wow.
As far as I know, there might have been a respray over one of the fenders, but other than that, original paint. It had a paint correction done last year, so that's why it's very shiny and
It's
smooth.
looking great. Now, I have a little bit about some water cooled. What chassis is this? Not an A1, obviously. Is it A2 or A3?
So this is a Mark III Golf
Okay.
Cabrio. It's
All right.
essentially just a Golf with no roof on it, but
Okay.
it's a Mark III. This is a 3.5, so it has the Mark IV headlights and front bumper. But it
Oh.
is specific to a Cabrio, so it cannot be interchanged with a Golf
Okay.
or GTI or anything.
And a 2-liter, is it?
2-liter 4-cylinder.
Yeah,
there's nothing done to it.
The stock,
It's stock,
and
completely
a
stock.
5-speed.
5-speed manual, and it did come like that, which is a very rare option, especially on the 2000, 2001, 2002.
Most of them were-
Most of them were automatics.
Yeah. Is this your first Volkswagen?
Oh no, this is number 5.
Wow. Okay. What
I
else have you had?
Oh gosh, an 88 Golf, a 91 Jetta, 97 Jetta, a 1 Cabrio, 2000 Cabrio. I have a 2010 Golf TDI and a 2015 Golf TDI, and the newest one is the 98 GTI VR6.
Woo! I think I need a chart to
I'm a
keep
lot.
track of all those. You
I
do.
have 4 in the driveway.
So you have 4 in the driveway right
Yes.
now. What's your favorite?
This one, this is my baby.
Cabriola.
Yeah, she gets to stay in the garage.
She does, huh?
Yeah.
You and I have talked before. Your knowledge on these is just like encyclopedic. It's very impressive. We had Rabbits, and then we had Rabbit convertibles, and then Rabbit cabriolets, and then when do they just drop that name and just go to straight Cabrio?
The Mark III chassis. So there was no Mark II Cabrio. There was only Mark I, which was the Rabbit.
The ones everybody's
Cabriolet.
familiar with,
Right,
like
the little boxy ones.
What's that girl drove in like 16 candles or whatever it was,
Yes.
something like that, right?
And
Okay.
then the Mark III.
Okay.
And they shortened the name to Cabrio,
Cabrio.
instead of Cabriolet.
Right, because
But a Cabrio just
it'd have
means
been
convertible.
Right, that's all it means, right?
Right.
In German, Cabrio, I guess,
Yeah,
right?
Cabrio, convertible.
Let's look at these license plates.
Okay.
Sue Flocka.
Okay, well first I'm from Virginia.
Oh, they are Virginia plates. I'm gonna
I
tell.
do live
We're
in
in Texas.
but my family still lives in
So
Virginia.
it's legit.
Yes.
Hello, DMV. It's legit.
And also Texas is very expensive to get license plates
Right.
customized. So Virginia, it's $10.
Sue Flocka, Virginia. What does that mean? I don't. I have no idea.
I might be dating this guy that speaks Spanish. His name's John. He's
Oh
over there.
yeah, I think we know
The-
John.
Yeah.
What does John drive?
He drives a 1964 Beetle.
That's right, and it's beautiful.
It is.
So you might be dating a guy?
Yeah, it's Spanish. It means his skinny girl, his skinny.
Oh, his skinny girl.
Yeah.
Oh, because we were thinking earlier, like mi casa, su casa, right?
Yeah,
so
you're-
Sue means.
So you're his skinny girl, but Sue is his.
So who's his skinny girl?
I'm his girlfriend. But it was
Oh!
all funny, and he called me Flocka. Come here, Flocka, Flocka.
And did you know what it was?
No. But you know.
You didn't know what it was at first. You just thought it was. Oh, you were going. Oh, it's so sweet.
Flocka, Flocka, Flocka. And then I put it on the license plate without telling him, and showed up, and it's on the license plate. So it's just a joke. It's just funny.
It's awesome.
It's really funny when he drives it, and he has the top down with his pink sunglasses
Yeah,
on.
yeah, that's a good look for him.
It's-
So you know what? I've never seen the top up. This is a manual, right?
No, this is a Highline model. This is a Cabrio GLS. So it has a button, and the button works, which is very rare in
It
these
never
cars.
works, or it does work.
No, it does work. I took it all out and sent it to a place in Seattle and had them rebuild it, so that button works.
So this is a Volkswagen that has an automatic top. Holy cow! Wow,
Let's do
yeah,
it.
that's really cool. I did not know that's interesting. Oh, here,
So-
where's the magic button?
This button right here is usually a blank in most Cabrios, but
Right.
this one actually does something. So here it goes.
I'll be dang.
So it's a hydraulic pump in the trunk, and they are notorious for leaking, but this one does not.
And hydraulic pump. Charlie needs this for his convertible.
That's
Look at
it.
that.
Yep.
Is that the original top too?
No, it had an original white,
Ooh, wow,
like
white,
plastic
really?
top, and it was stained from the chicken coop.
I was gonna say.
So I bought this.
So this
from-
had, but at least the top was up when it was in the chicken coop.
Yes, thank goodness.
So you bought? Is this
This is an aftermarket
okay.
top from topsonline.com.
Wow, they did a nice job.
Oh, and the guy here in Austin did it. What is it, Joe's Top Shop?
Okay, and he put it in.
Oh, he puts it in. It fits like a glove.
You-
It's not closed right now, but when it's closed,
but you know, one of
it's
the
perfect.
I think a thing that a lot of folks don't. Volkswagen has always had a real glass
Yeah.
back window. Because I had friends that had Miatas and stuff, and those things were made out of plastic, and they just looked like, and within a week they were terrible.
Yeah.
Volkswagen. And look, it even has a defroster in it.
Yep.
So how big's the trunk? Can you like put? Would this be perfect for going to the drive-in and putting people in?
No.
No, or like if you were a mobster, could you put bodies in there?
No.
No?
I'll pop it and show you.
Yeah, I want to see.
There's stuff in it.
How big's the trunk?
That was a hydraulic pump that I just.
Brrr.
Hydraulic
You did?
button that I just pushed to open it.
Oh, that's not too bad. Oh, wow,
So
that's
it's
pretty.
not much to get in
You
here.
got a header. What's
Oh, don't. Hey, no.
Wait
no
a minute.
Pictures, no
I thought.
pictures.
Wait a minute.
That's a tectonic.
Is that going on here?
Yeah, 421.
That's going on
exhaust.
this?
Yeah.
Oh, hello, Missy. I thought this was stock.
No. Well,
We've now found your secrets. That's actually bigger than I would think.
but the opening's not big, so you can't.
Yeah,
reach
you
in
can't
there.
like. You would have to stick small bodies in there, or like crinkle them up. You know, it's made in Carmen. With Volkswagen, I think all the Volkswagen convert. I mean, think about it. Carmen Gias. It's a car, man. I mean, the Scirocco's are made in Carmen too.
On or up.
Oh, it's clean.
Yeah, that's.
So that's a
Germany.
2-liter.
Under the rain thing, it says Germany right here. I have new
Like
glass
the,
headlights.
So did you put, are those new?
Yeah.
They look really good. Jessica, thank you for your time tonight.
Yeah.
I love your car.
Thanks.
It's always fun seeing you. I mean, I saw you when you were pulling in. I'll go, hey, there's Jessica. It's just a happy car.
Fun car, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
It's that kind of thing. It's a happy car. Brings a smile, and you always look so happy when you're driving it
I
too.
am.
So I always like it when you come out to the meetups and everything.
Thanks for having me. Thanks for letting the water cooled hang out.
Heck
with
yeah,
VW
man!
Life.
Hey, you know me, water cool. We gotta
Yeah.
we gotta hold together. So thank you.
Well, it's been an eventful night here at the Top Notch Hamburgers.
Goodness gracious alive, man. It's been a fun night.
Yes.
We got to talk to Jessica and her Cabriella von Volkswagen.
Yes, that was fun.
That was awesome. She's awesome. I love that car. It's really cool.
And we had bicycle racing.
Yeah, I missed out on that. I brought the bikes, but I didn't participate because I like to keep all my appendages not unbroken.
We had some injuries.
Yeah, we did. Yeah. But I don't know how many. We had a lot. I didn't count cars.
I didn't count either. And next month we'll have the Junebug Rally here too.
Oh my gosh, it's only time. We have a method to our madness. We meet at Top Notch on the 3rd Saturday. So Junebug is always the 3rd Saturday. So we end up here on, so that knocks out 2 stones with 1 bird, so to speak. Also, Harvest is the 3rd Saturday and weekend of October. And so we'll be here with the cruise in here, and hopefully we'll break our record. I think it's 105 cars.
Yeah, hopefully things will be back to normal and we'll have a big old party.
That's in October. Thank y'all for joining us tonight. Matt Jackson, it's been a good night.
It's been a good night and we appreciate you guys watching. If you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe and leave us a comment.
Oh, yes, please. Make sure you also hit the store there. We got some really nice shirts and stickers. And please make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. This is the VW community. We do this for you guys, and we enjoy doing it because this is what it's all about. It's always something. Thank you guys for joining us tonight.